That's from my system, and this is swing this side. That's our door. As I get out of the door, and in front you see the schools at the tree level, middle of the tree. This side is my neighbor's system. That's my neighbor's door, and from here onwards is our plants. We've got a money plant, and from here onwards we've got plenty of plants. These are all Hazel's plants, and this is our gardening. And we have basil to orchids, hanging orchids, to ginger. This is where we harvested one lot. I show you the harvest. And there's another basil plant on this side. We have curry leaves, tall plants. All these are grown on there's a lime, aloe vera. We have orchid. We have compost happening in the big pot, and this is the ginger. We can get quite a lot of ginger. We grow, and because we get early morning sun, it's pretty good. And this is all we have. But within this place, we do quite some gardening. One of the greenest places you can find in this block. Ferns. That's our door, and that's our kitchen further down. Entry of the hall.